Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Here are more multi-step equations, but this time we're going to be involving decimals in the process. Not to worry, because these types of equations, the ones that involve decimals, work the same way with regular numbers. We're just going to follow the same process by getting variables on one side and numbers on the other side. And here are our examples right here. We have 2x plus 6.5 is equal to 15.5. 15 plus 5.5d is equal to 70. 3.9a minus 17.9 is equal to a negative 2.3. And 28 minus 0.3y is equal to 0.7y minus 12. Now let's get started with the first equation, in which we have 2x plus 6.5 is equal to 15.5, and we're going to subtract 6.5 from both sides to get variables on one side and numbers on the other side. In this case, we're getting x on one side. And when we do that, we have 2x is equal to 9. And now we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. And when 9 is divided by 2, x is equal to 4.5. Let us move on to the second equation, in which we have 15 plus 5.5d is equal to 70. And it would be best in this case that we subtract 15 from both sides. And when we do that, we will have 5.5d is equal to 55, which is the result from 70 minus 15, which will give us 55. And we would divide both sides by 5.5. 55 divided by 5.5 will give us 10. So D will be equal to 10. And when we plug 10 back into this equation, it will arrive at 70. This equation will arrive at 70. And let's go on to 3.9a minus 17.9 is equal to a negative 2.3. And in this case, we added 17.9 to both sides of the equation so that 3.9a is equal to 15.6. But in order to find out what a is, we have to divide both sides of this equation by 3.9. And when 15.6 is divided by 3.9, the letter A is equal to 4, in which we can plug back into the equation to make sure that A is equal to 4 is true. Now let's move on to our final equation, in which we have 28 minus 0.3y is equal to 0.7y minus 12. And when we add 0.3y to both sides, we end up getting 28 is equal to 1y, or y minus 12. And now we can get variables on one side and numbers on the other side. So we're going to get y on one side and the numbers on the other side. And when we add 12 to both sides, y here equals 40. And when we plug 40 back into the equation for y, the answer will be the same on both sides. You have been given a lot of information, but that's okay, because you can pause the video right here or replay the video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of multi-step equations. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and I repeat, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.